Yes, you can see the board. X square dx, important math. X square dx by root over 1 minus 1 minus x to the power 6. Okay, can you do this math? Same type of math I did. Can you remember, please? Same type of math. It can be written like this: x square dx, right? Root over 1 minus x cube whole square. Okay. Now what will you do? Let me know. You have to let x cube equals to z. Okay. Then we are getting 3x square dx equals to dz. So we can write x square dx equals to 1 by 3 dz. Same type of math I told you. Now we can write down which implies that 1 by 3 at first 1 by 3 x square dx equals to dz by root over what? 1 minus x cube equals to z square. Whose formula is this? It is equal to what? Sine inverse z, right? Sine inverse z plus c. Now what is the value of z? The value of z is 1 by 3 sine inverse. The value of z is x cube, then plus c. And yes, we have got our result. So I think you do this math. Okay. Now 16.2, question number 2 of 16. I have copied it. Now number 2, you see x cube dx by root over 1 minus 2x4. You see, if we differentiate it, we will easily get x cube. So we don't have any functioning now here. So we let 1 minus 2x4, 1 minus 2x4 is equal to z. Okay, that is minus 8x cube dx equals to dz. Now what's in the numerator? Only x cube dx. So we can find the value of x cube dx equals to minus 1 by 8 dz. So you write down minus 1 by 8 x cube dx equals to what? Dz by it is root over z. That means minus 1 by 8, it is z to the power minus half dz. Now you can do it. After this you can do it, okay? Or I will do minus 1 by 8 z to the power, here we can write down z to the power half by half, okay? Plus c. That means minus 1 by 4 root over z. Root over z means root over, it is root over z. Root over z means 1 minus 2x to the power 4 plus c. We have got our answer, okay? It is really very easy and simple, okay? You can easily do. Next math, number 3 of 16, is that dx by x root over x to the power 4 minus 1. Can you do this math? Or is there anyone here to do this math? Hello, everybody. You cannot do this math. This math is a special type of math. Here, we have to write down in this way x dx by x square root over x square whole square minus 1. Okay, because we don't get x from x4. We really don't get it. Okay, but we get x from x square. So we have to let x square is equal to z, then 2x dx equals to dz. Now you see we get x dx equals to half dz. Okay, that means we are getting here half. Okay, half dz, x dx means dz by x square equals to z. Is it? We are getting x square equals to z, then root over z square minus 1. Whose formula is this? Sec inverse x. Can you remember? Whose formula is this? It is equal to half sec inverse z. Talk to me. Its formula.
जी sir.
What is the value of z? Half. Z is what? X square. Let's see. Okay. Is it 12?
Yes sir. जी sir.
Okay. Now we are going to do some math. Question number 17. Ln x. Okay, do it. Here ln x equals to z. Do it. Number 2. 1 plus sin x by x dx. Here 1 plus 1 root over 1 plus, sorry, it is ln x. It is ln x. Here 1 plus ln x will be laid as z. Number 3. 1 by x 1 plus ln x dx. Here also 1 plus ln x z. Number 4. Cosine ln x by x dx. Here ln x equals to z. Okay, you do up to tan ln x by x dx. What will you do? What will you do? You will let ln x as by z. You let ln x equals to z. That is 1 by x dx equals to dz. So you see, we have got the value tan z, tan it is z, dx by x equals to dz. Now, what is the formula of tan z? Do you know this? Talk to me. Hello, everybody. Do you know tan z? Okay, very good. You keep the math up to this. Anyway, I am showing you, not a matter. Okay, now we are going to find out the formula of integration tan z. Okay, okay, very good. Suppose you see all of you, it is tan x dx. We will find it. So can you write down this is sin x by cos x dx? Can you write it? This math. If cosine z, cosine x, sorry.
Minus ln cos x plus c.
You're right. You're right. If cos x is let as by z, then what we are getting here? Let me know. We are getting, write down sin x dx is equal to dz. Perhaps we are getting it right. Is it?
Minus dz.
Sin x dx equal to dz, but as it is cosine, so we have to give here minus sign. Now you see, it is sin x dx is equal to minus dz. Okay, so we can write down here minus, you see, sin x dx equals to dz, and by cos x equals to what? Z, right? Is it? Now what is the formula? Let me know. 1 by z equals to what? Ln z. Is it? Minus ln z plus c. Talk to me, all of you. Now let me know what is the value of z. Minus ln. Talk to me. What is the value of z? Talk to me. Cosine x plus c. But it is the formula, but we will not keep minus sign. We will not keep minus sign. Can you please let me know what can you write? What is cos x? Cos x means what? 1 by sec x, right? Is it? Cos x means what? 1 by sec x. So there will be a negative sign. So we can write here, write down ln sec x plus c. Now talk to me who has failed to understand.
Sir, bujhini.
जी सर वो
Where? Very
सर
good.
box तेरे से कर
Last part, minus ln cos x means what? Talk to me. Cos x means what? 1 by sec x. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Minus ln 1 by x equals to what? Talk to me. We can write down minus ln x to the power minus 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this minus and this minus will make what? Positive.
Yes, sir.
This minus 1. So this is sec x to the power what? Minus 1. Sec x to the power minus 1. This minus
Yes.
1, this minus 1 will make positive, right? Okay.
जी सर
Okay. Now this can be written as ln x. Okay. Now you see, we can write here which is equal to, you please write down ln sec x plus, sorry, z, it is z, I'm sorry, ln sec z plus c. Now let me know what is the value of z. Z is equal to ln x. So sec z is what? Ln x. Sec ln x plus c. Our math is done. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are given to find out there are some formulas like this I am showing you. It is tan x. Now suppose you are given to determine cot x. At first we should know, and yesterday some of you demanded this type of proof of this type of formula. Suppose you are given cot x. Can you please let me know what is cot x? I don't know. I have to find it, right? So very good, not a matter. It is cosine x, it is sine x, dx, right? Now you let sine x equals to z, that is cosine x dx equals to dz. Now you put the value, it is dz by z, that is what? Ln z plus c, is it? So we can write down which is equal to ln sine x. This is the answer. So it is a formula, it is itself a formula. And the previous one was also a formula. So you all are required to, keep it in mind. Okay. Now we are going to find, is it okay?
Ji, sir.
Now we are going to find the integration of sec x. You see, it is sec x dx. How we'll do it? This is the question. Okay, it is a little bit hard, but remember one thing. If I write down here sec x plus tan x, because you see, if I write here sec x plus tan x are the same. Talk to me. Are the same?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
this is sec x. Please try to understand. And it is now dx. Talk to me. Okay? Can you write this? Yes, we can write this. Now, what is the numerator? It is sec square x plus sec x tan x by sec x plus tan x dx. Can you write it? Yes, we can write it. Now, suppose this sec x, now the denominator, you let the denominator sec x plus tan x is equal to z. Okay. Now you say differentiate it. Sec x equals to what? Sec x tan x, sec x tan x. Tan x equals to what? Sec square x dx is equal to dz. Have you seen? Actually, we are getting the numerator as by dz. So it is only dz by z. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Ji, sir.
So I think you are getting me. So it is what? Equals to ln z plus c, right? Now what is the value of z? You put here ln z is what? Sec x plus tan x plus c. We have got our answer. So sec x equals to sec x plus tan x, not sec x tan x. Sec x equals to ln sec x plus tan x. Okay. So I think you will remember, but you will get it in the MCQ exam. And it for doing some CQ, maths of CQ, it will be needed. Now what is left? Cosec x. Then cosec x. Who can do it? What is meant by cosec x? At first, let me know. What is meant by cosec x?
1 by sine x.
Cosec x equals to 1 by sine x. Very good. So we can write down dx by sine x. Can you write it? Okay, we can write it. we can also write it. It is equal to dx by sine 2 theta. 2 sine x by 2 cosine x by 2, right? Okay, that's good. Now we will divide it. This is half. Suppose this is half. Okay. Now we will divide both the numerator and denominator. This is dx by cos square x by 2. That is 1 by cos square x by 2. It is sine x by 2 cosine x by 2 by cos square x by 2. Okay, we have divided it. And I'll let you know why and how we have divided. It means, you see, it is half. The numerator is sec square x by 2. And the denominator is, it is sine by cos. It is tan x by 2, right? And this will be omitted. Have you got me? Now, if we let tan x by 2 is equal to z, if we let tan x by 2 equals to z, then what we are getting here? Sec square x by 2 by half dx equals to dz, right? Is it or not?
Ji sir.
That is sec square x, that is sec square x by 2 dx can be written as half dz. I'm sorry, yes, half dz. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tan x by 2, this is half, so it is also half. So this half. Oh, actually, you see, dear students, you see, this is half.
স্যার
Okay.
এটা মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে
Yes.
না ডিফারেন্সিয়েশনে
Which one? Oh, yes,
স্যার
you
ওটা
are right. It is a differentiation, not integration. So it will be multiplication. Okay, so it is not division. Okay, it is multiplication. That means into half. So it is half here. Please make the correction. Half here. So it will be 2. Okay, have you got me? It is differentiation. It is not integration. So it is half. Now you see, this is half, and it is only 2 dz, and it is z. So 2 half will be omitted. That is ln z. Ln z plus c. What is the value of z? Tan x by 2. So our answer is ln tan x by 2 plus c. We have got our answer. Please pay attention. We are mistaken here. Okay, actually it is differentiation, so it will, coefficient of x is half, will be multiplied. As we are doing so many maths on integration, so we are about to forget differentiation, right? Okay, I think you have got it. Now we are going to find integration of some other maths, that is also known as formula. Yesterday I told you, number one dx by important a square plus x square. Okay, how we will do it? Okay, please see what I am going to do. Suppose here it is x. You let x equals to
স্যার
a
এটা
tan.
কিসের এক নাম্বার?
It is a formula proof. It is a. For this, I have taken this x equals to a tan theta. Okay, so we can write down dx is equal to a tan theta means sec square theta. Talk to me, all of you are required to talk to me. You see, dx, what is the value of dx? Dx equals to, you see, dx equals to a sec square theta d theta. It is the value of dx, okay? Now, it is a square, yes, it is a square. What is the value of x? Is a tan theta. That is a square tan square theta, right? Now you see, we can write down here a sec square theta d theta. If a square is taken common, then what will we get? A square into 1 plus tan square theta, right? That means we are getting here a sec square theta d theta. It is a square. You see what is here? Only sec square theta. Is it?
G sir.
Okay, that's good. Now you see sec square theta will be omitted, and we are left with only d theta by a. Is it? That
G
means
sir.
1 by a d theta. Now let me know what is the integration of d theta. D theta means 1 d theta. What is the integration of 1? What is the integration of 1 dx? Let me know. Is x
Sir.
what? Is x?
Yes, sir.
So we can write down 1 by a dot theta plus c, right? Now, what is the value of theta? From here, we can find the value of theta, tan inverse x by a. From here, we can write down theta equals to tan inverse x by a, right? This a will be taken in the left hand side denominator. This a here x by a is here x by a. So theta equals to tan inverse x by a. Now you put the value 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Yesterday I did a math on this. Can you remember? Now if a equals to 1, corollary. Now there will be a corollary. You see, if a equals to 1, this is a corollary, then we get dx by 1 plus x square is equal to a equals to 1. That is tan inverse a equals to 1 x plus c. That day I told you this is the basic formula. Okay. From here we get this formula. Okay. I think all of you have got it right.
G sir.
We have some other formulas like this. I am going to show those formula. Formula number 2, a square minus x square, you see, dx by a square minus x square. Okay. Okay, that's good. You see, this can be done in 2 ways. We can write down a plus x into a minus x. Can you write down? Talk to me. Okay. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
There is a
G
formula.
sir.
You see, a plus x plus 1 by a minus x. if I calculate this, dear students, please see all of you, this is integration sign. If we calculate, it is called the partial division that you did in class 9. And if we give here half, you see, are you getting the result or not? Or it is what? 1 by 2a, what will be given? You see, it is a minus x, it is a plus x. Here it is 2a. If I write 2a, now are we getting the result? Okay, you are not getting it. What is its result? Let me know. Its result is what? A plus x, a minus x, it is a minus x and a plus x, x omitted. Now if I take here 1 by 2a, this is a plus a, 2a will be omitted. Suppose here it is written 1 by 2a. This 2a and this a will be omitted. So actually we are getting this part, which is given here, dx by this, dx by this. I mean, if we have the partial differentiation, if we have the partial fraction of this part, we'll get this part. This is the question with 1 by 2a. Our answer will be like this, 1 by 2a, a plus x plus 1 by 2a, a minus x. This is the partial fraction of this part. And 1 by 2a has been taken common, but we can write down this at a time like this. By the way, if I tell you, suppose, what is the partial fraction of this part? X plus 3, x plus 2. Can you please tell me? What is the result? It is equals to what? Without doing the math, can you let me know? Hello, everybody. You see, I am going to write down 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 3. You do it, you will get the result. It is a partial fraction of this part. If we have the LCM here, x plus 3 minus x minus 2, you will get this. Is it? Hello?
Ji, sir.
Sir.
So I can do maths, I mean partial fraction, without doing or maintaining the steps. I can tell you at a time. You see, I have written like this. Okay, it is a fraction, but it is a partial fraction. Okay, so this is the way we can write down.
স্যার এটা কত টু
Sorry, 1
ফর্মুলা
by 2.
শেষে টু
Okay, just see. Now you see, it is 1 by 2a. It is 1 by 2a. Now let me know, it is what? What is the formula of this? Let me know, what is the formula of this? Ln a plus x? Talk to me, ln a plus x? Ln
Yes, sir.
a plus x, it is what? Plus ln a minus x, and the coefficient of x is what? Minus 1 divided by minus 1, top to bottom second bracket, plus c. Let me know where you have failed to understand. It is absolute value sign. Okay, now we can write down here 1 by 2a, it is ln a plus x, this minus plus minus ln a minus x plus c. Okay, now we can write down 1 by 2a, it can be put into formula of, it is subtraction, so it will be division, a plus x by, this is the formula. Its formula is this, all of you write down. Its formula is this. It will be used vastly. Every time you will get this formula, and the maths are, which are given in the exam normally are of this formula.
So muchan na last line ta.
Okay, same type of math. I am not going to do the math. You see, that is dx by, it is x square minus a square. I am not going to prove this. It will be the same. as it is 1 by 2a ln. Let me know what will be there. That time it was what? A square minus x square. It is x square minus a square. So here it will be given at
X
first
plus a by x minus a.
x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, I mean it will be in the same manner. If you go for getting the proof, you will get this. Okay, I am not going to do that, man. Same type, same style. If we calculate, we will get this. Okay. Now you see another math. I think you have copied it.
जी सर
Another math number. It was 3. It is now number 4. Dx by root over a square minus x square. Okay, very good. You let x equals to a sine theta. So we are getting dx equal to a cos theta d theta, right? Talk to me. That means dx by root over a square minus a square sine square theta. Okay. And what is the value of dx? The value of dx is a cos theta d theta. Is it? Now we are getting in the denominator. Can you let me know? If a square is taken common, we will get 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta, cos theta, a cos theta. Will you get me? If we calculate it, you will get this. If a square is taken common in inside the root, we will get 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. It is root, so only cos theta. Okay, this a will be cos theta, everything will be omitted, so we are left with only d theta. D theta means what? Theta plus c. Okay, theta plus c. Now you see, from here we can write down theta equals to what? Sine inverse x by a. Okay, so it is sine inverse x by a plus c, and we are done. If a equals to 1, you see, when corollary, if a equals to 1, then we get dx by root over 1 minus x square is equal to a equals to 1. So we are getting sine inverse x plus c. This is the basic formula. From here we get this. Is it okay? Dear students, you have got a lot of formula and you are required to keep all those formula in mind always. Okay? Hello everybody.
जी सर
Okay. Now going to question number 6 of 17. It is the math of sine 2 plus 5 ln x, 2 plus 5 ln x by x dx. Can you do this math? What will you do? By hook or by crook, you have to take this as by z. Okay, so don't be afraid of seeing the math. 2 plus 5 ln x equals to z. Okay, And we know the differentiation or derivative of 2 is 0. So we are getting ln x 1 by x, that is 5 by x dx equals to dz, right? Now we get dx by x equals to 1 by 5 dz. Now let's put this value dx by x. Before that we write down 1 by 5 sine, this is sine 2 plus 5 ln x equals to what, z, and dx by x equals to 1 by 5. I have written 1 by 5 and it is only dz, it is dz. So what is the integration of sine z? You know, minus cosine z. Is it? Now put the value of z. Z is what? Minus 1 by 5 cosine, and z is 2 plus 5 ln x. 2 plus 5 ln x. This is plus c, and we have got the answer. Is it okay to all?
জি স্যার। আচ্ছা স্যার, কালকে আপনি
Yes.
কখন ক্লাস নেবেন?
Tomorrow we will not be in the station, okay? But I will let you know. By 8 p.m. I will let you know. It may be 9 or 10 like this, okay? But I will let you know. Now, question number 18. Important math. Tan x by important math. Tan x by ln cosine x. Ln cosine x dx. Important math. When dear students, extremely sorry. Okay, anyway. So we are getting ln cos x is equal to z. So can you please let me know what will be its differentiation? Ln x means 1 by x, right? Ln x means 1 by x. Now this cos x means what? Minus sin x dx is equal to dz. Okay, that is we are getting minus tan x. You see we have got our desired value. Minus tan x dx equals to dz. That means tan x dx is equal to minus dz. So we have got it. It is just minus integration tan x dx equals to dz, and here it is ln cos x equals to what, z, right? That is minus 1 by z equals to what, ln z, okay, plus c. What is the value of z? Minus ln cosine x, ln cosine x plus c. It is the answer. Important math to be given in the exam. Talk to me. Are you there or are you sleeping?
আছি
Yes.
স্যার। আছি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
Okay. For a while, I thought you all are sleeping or were sleeping. All দিলে এই জিনিসটা ঘটে, মেজাজটা খারাপ হয়, মানে I think I've got me right. Okay. So
Not
what
a
we are getting
matter.
here, you see. Okay, it's okay. Root x equals to what? Let me know. 1 by 2 root x. Is it? Root x equals to 1 by 2 root x. So we are getting actually dx by root x is equal to dz. Talk to me. So it is 1 by 5. Oh, right, it is 2. Okay. So it will be 2 dz. So we are getting 1 by 5 into 2. So e to the power root x, that means e to the power z, and dx by root x equals to dz. I'm sorry, equals to only dx here. Talk to me. Dx by root x. Dx by root x equals to only dz. So we are getting here, you see, we are getting here 2 by 5 e to the power z plus c. That is 2 by 5. What is z? Z is root x plus c, and we have got our answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very easy and simple. Now, I think I should not do all those easy maths. I am giving you some maths as homework. If you can do, you write down cosine root x by root x dx. Here, root x equals to z. Number 3, or not 3, it is question number 20. It is given cos x is sin x. Cos x e sin x dx. Okay, you will let sin x equals to z. Number 2, 1, oh my god, it's to be done by me. You take these two maths as homework. Now I'm going to do a math which
Sir,
is
Sir, মুছেন না।
বুঝছেন না।
now I'm going to do a math which is the most important. Question number 22.
স্যার
I'll
আজকে
do
শেষ
this math.
করবেন না?
1 plus cos x by x plus sin x. Okay, dx. Do it. Very easy and simple. The denominator will be let as z. Okay, if we let, you see, if we let x plus sin x equals to z, then we get its derivative is 1, its derivative is cosine x dx equals to dz. Now you see, we have got the numerator 1 plus cos x dx as by dz, and the denominator is only z, right? So it is ln z plus c. What is the value of z? Is x plus sin x. We are getting the math really very easy. Okay, very interesting math. Now question number 23. Please copy
স্যার
it.
লাস্ট লাইন মুছবেন না।
Okay. Now question number 3 of 20. Sin x by 3 plus 4 cos x. Sin x by 3 plus 4 cos x dx. Very easy and simple. You let the denominator 3 plus 4 cos x equals to z. Now you can do this math. Okay, you will get sin x here. You will do and you will post in the messenger group. Question number 4. Cos x by root over sin x. Cos x by root over sin x dx. Here sin x will be let as z. Number 5. Okay, we don't have number 5. We have then 21. Question number 21. 21(1). It is sec square x e to the power 10x dx. Here in this math, you will let 10x as by z. Okay. Then number 2, you will do all this math at home because
স্যার 21 মুছেন না।
perhaps I know it. Number 2,
এত ফাস্ট লিখে ফাস্ট মুছে দিচ্ছেন।
okay. Number 2, sec square x.
তো প্রো, আপনি তো সবকিছু কেটে দেন, মানে একদম
ওইটাই।
সেইভাবে এডিট করে দেন।
Oh, really? Oh my God. You also know it. There's
जी
good.
सर
Here
ना
in this
জানার কি
question,
আছে
1 plus tan x will be letter z. And in this math question number 3, it is root over 1 minus tan square x. Root over 1 minus tan square x. But here you see only tan x will be z, letter z. Only tan x. Okay. If we know the which one is to be letter z, then the math will be easy, right? Now, other maths are totally, that is wholly and fully, are of different taste.
আর
This
একটু
type of maths are done. Now you just let me know.
নাম্বারটা
Will
কই
it,
দিবেন
which one?
3 নাম্বারটা
This one.
জি স্যার
It is what? Sec square x dx equals to what? Dz, right? So we can write it dz
অত
by,
বেশি ব্যাচ না স্যার উনি ফ্রি উনি সারাদিনই ফ্রি আমরা কেউ টাইম মিলাইতে পারি না তাই আমরা রাত 10টার পর সবাই ক্লাস করি
okay, you
মাইকটা
see.
মিউট কর
Okay, now you see.
আচ্ছা
Uh,
সরি
Now you see, is it or not? Is it okay? So it is a formula of sine inverse z, right? Sine inverse z plus c. So we are getting z is equal to tan x, right? Now we are done here. Okay.